as committed. Now we'll move. Otherwise, we'll end up with with huge issue with our training. So I don't want to जो भी continuous आ रहे, so I don't want कि उनको कुछ ये हो जाए. Okay. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. We'll start at 8:10, right? जो हमने decide किया था. But yeah, before that, would like to know कि आपने क्या क्या टेस्ट किया है.
हेलो.
Yes.
सर मेरा मतलब एक एंट्री करके देखी है मैंने, जो नॉर्मल एंट्री होती है जीआर वगैरह मारते हैं हम, वही एंट्री करके देखी है. सिर्फ मेरा अभी जो कल का सेशन हुआ था अपना, वो मेरा टेस्ट करना बाकी है अभी तक. सो कल सैटरडे छुट्टी है, तो कल हो जाएगा. आज का भी हो जाएगा, कल का भी हो जाएगा.
Okay, good.
So,
Sachin, update from you.
हाँ, अभी वो मैं इसका EWM का जो है ना पूरा वो कर रहा था. वेयर हाउस नंबर कंट्रोल, सप्लाई चेन यूनिट, स्टोरेज बीन, स्टोरेज टाइप, वो सब पूरा उसमें.
Okay.
आज खत्म करता हूँ लेक्चर होने के बाद पूरा एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर.
Okay. Yeah, okay, let's start. Okay, so CWM/PRDI any 10. Okay, so basically what we'll see today, we'll see the put away strategy. Okay, now what is meaning of put away strategy? So currently we are doing put away manually, right? Manual put away. But obviously in business, any business would they will not love to do such thing, right? The manual put away, because it will be very difficult for them to identify the correct bin, right? So what they will do, try to do like they will the one that system should help them to do the put away. Okay.
हेलो.
Yes, hello.
सर रिकॉर्डिंग
Yes,
चालू
Shubham.
कर दिए?
Yes.
ओके. सॉरी.
No issue. So the put away strategy, right? It's like system will check the bin, okay, as per the configuration, and it will suggest the bin. If we are okay, then we'll go with that. Otherwise, we can select any other bin. Okay. So for example, so this area is my one storage type. This one is another, and means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 are here and 3 are here. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create a sequence, like let's say sequence number 1 and sequence number 2. This is sequence 1, sequence 2. Okay. And then in that sequence, we have to assign the storage type. Means let's say this is 01, 02, 03, 05, 06, 07, like this. Okay. So to the sequence, for this sequence, we have to assign the storage type, in which so while assigning, we have to just a moment. Sorry. So while doing the assignment, we have to make sure that we have assigned the sequence, right, of the storage type as per the need. Okay, means let's say we want the system should first go here and check the bin, then we have to assign this. Later we want the system should go here, then this, and then here. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Sachin, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Then, so while put away, we have to make sure that we have put away strategy. We have at least have 4 storage type. So we'll create 2 group, and in that group we'll assign the storage type. So first of all, I will go to the master data. I guess it's already created, so we'll just check. So while creating, you can just make a copy. Okay, so any 10, so yes, palette 10, palette 20, rack 10, rack 20. So what you can do, for example, if you have created a arcade 10, just copy this. Okay, and then arcade 30. Arcade 30. Okay, like this, and save it. Okay, then back. Okay, now go to the put receipt process. Okay, here strategy. Okay, then storage type. So we will do the put away with the storage type. Okay, then close this group. Over here you can see define storage type search sequence for put away, assign storage type, define put away control indicator, then specify storage type, and then optimize access strategy. So we have to start from first, means from define storage type search sequence. As I said, first of all, we have to create the group. Okay, so I will delete this. Yes, Sanjay.
Sorry, sir, by mistake.
Okay, okay. So click over here, then any 10. So we'll create 2 group, one for rack. Okay, rack, and then second palette. Okay, this is just a name of that group, and then for this group we'll assign the storage type. This is just name, you can give any name, 01, 02, right? Now for storage type, go to here, assign storage type to storage type search sequence. Okay, now again there are some entries, so I will delete first. Okay, new entry, then any 10, right? The search sequence or the group is RK, right? And then I want that whenever the system trigger this RK, first it should go to the RK 10 only. Okay, see this sequence number is 0 because we are going to maintain this sequence first time, right? That's why it's the 0. Okay, once I press enter, see is first sequence, means system will give the priority to RK10 first. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Save it. Then now if you maintain same sequence, but the storage type now RK20, and if you press enter, see the sequence number 2, right? Because we have maintained this one for second time, right? This particular sequence. Okay,
मतलब कौन सा भी अगर मटेरियल आ गया है तो फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस हो स्टोरेज टाइप 1 में जाएगा.
yes,
हाँ?
and then
और
it will
सर
go
ये
to the
सीक्वेंस हम
2.
चेंज भी कर सकते हैं.
Yes,
ओके,
you can just come over here and then just change RK20 to RK30.
ओके.
Okay,
ओके सर.
and then we have RK30 also, so we'll also assign that RK30. Okay, save it. This is for RK. Now we'll maintain for palette also, palette 10, palette 20. Okay, again sequence number 2. save it. So if you check, okay, see, for RK sequence, the first priority will be for RK10, then second RK20 and RK30. So if you want that RK30 should first, then yes, you can just change it 32, then here 20. Okay. And then palette 10, palette 20. Okay, save it. Clear? Now, we'll say that the put away control indicator are not mandatory. Okay, are not mandatory. So if you directly jump to the specify storage type search sequence, now this table is very interesting. I will first delete all the entry over here, save it. Okay, then new entry. Now any 10, okay. Then we have two sequence, RK, right, and palette. Okay, how system, okay, it's already marked for deletion. RK, then PL. So now we have two sequence, right? In that sequence, we have storage type also, right? So we need to determine, we need to maintain the determination. So when system should go for ARC and when system should go for palette. Okay.
मतलब सीक्वेंस 1 जो हमने दिया है अगर वो फुल होगा तभी सीक्वेंस 2 में जाएगा ना वो वहां पे अगर मतलब मेरा लॉजिक में भी आई एम रॉन्ग नहीं तो उस स्टोरेज टाइप में कौन से टाइप का मटेरियल सेव हो रहा है अगर वो उसमें कुछ अलग रहेगा तो उसमें जाएगा वो पहले 2 में
Anyone want to give any answer on that? Okay, so it's not like that it will go by for sequence number first and then second, because in sequence 1 we have maintained the storage type, right? And over there we can maintain like let's say 10, 20, 15 storage type, right? Because when we say rack and pallet, that is altogether different material. Means yes, so this material, for example, is a small bin, right? So it should go here only, right? It should not go to this location, the pallet location, because it's for pallet area, right? And the previous one is for box, right? Obviously we'll not say that, okay, first check here and then there is no any empty bin available, then go for box one, right? It's not like that. It will go and check only rack or RK, this sequence, or only this pallet sequence. But when system should go for rack and when system should go for pallet, so for that we have this much of parameter, right? So put away control indicator or WPT or even stock type also F1, right? See F1, F2, right? With that also we can do the determination. So let's say I will go with a WPT. So 101 So whenever the WPT is 101, it should go for rack. Whenever the WPT is Z any one, it should go for pallet 10. Press enter. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Sachin?
ओके मतलब WPT के हिसाब से वो ट्रिगर होगा. ओके.
Yes, depending on the WPT, it will go for rack, or with this one, it will go for
लेकिन WPT
pallet.
को हमने कहाँ असाइन किया था, मतलब ये
That
search sequence.
is a previous session.
उसमें
WPT.
मतलब WPT में सर्च सीक्वेंस हमने असाइन कहाँ किया
No,
लिखा,
no.
यहाँ पे कर रहे हो आप.
WPT is different. Yeah, the determination of WPT is different, and this is a search sequence. It's for put away.
ओके वहाँ.
We'll
ओके
use WPT to determine the search sequence.
मतलब
But
हाँ,
first
जब
of
हम
all, we need
पुट अवे
to
स्ट्रेटजी करते हैं तब वहाँ पे WPT मेंशन करते हैं क्या?
is
वहाँ
already
पे
there.
WPT रहती है क्या? पुट अवे
The
स्ट्रेटजी पुट अवे करते हैं तब.
WPT is already maintained over there.
हाँ, ये.
Without WPT is not possible to even do the good receipt.
ओके. ओके हाँ, वो हमने वो डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप वो सब असाइन किया था ना उसको. हाँ, याद है.
Yeah. Now, if you have condition like this, let's say any 10, then stock type is F1, then it should go for, let's say, something AL sequence. Although AL is not created, but let's imagine the AL is also there. And then we have checked by default for all the material when we do good receipt, the stock type is F1 only, right? And WPT is also say, let's say, is 101. Means there are two entry now. 101 say go for rack, F1 say go for AL. Okay. Then what system need to do in this case? If there are double entry, two different sequence and system is able to determine both. Okay. So to avoid this confusion, what SAP did, we go back. Okay. Go to the access strategy. So over here, we have to give the priority. Priority means, okay, first go and check WPT only. If there is no any WPT, then in second sequence, go for put away control indicator. Clear?
मतलब हम सर 3-4 पैरामीटर अगर रखते हैं तो उसमें भी हम सीक्वेंस कर सकते हैं कि हाँ पहले इसको प्रायोरिटी दो फिर. Yes. Okay, sir.
But at the same time, there should be that entry must be there. Then only it will work.
Okay.
Okay. Save it. Then we have created one new storage type, right? So let's create a bin. So what you can do, instead of, with Excel, you can directly go master data, right? So if you remember, we have something called what? Template, right? Or bin structure. We can create bin in mass. Okay. I need 10, so I will just copy this. RK30. 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 Save. Right, then the transaction to create bin, right, is SCWM LS11. Sorry, LS10. CWM LS10. Okay. Then select that RK30. Click on create bin, right, and then create plus save. Okay, those bins are created. Now go back to the PRDO, right? So let's create new delivery. /VL31N. Okay, so if there is only one material, we want two materials, so maybe, oh, that is an quality. Let's go with this. Okay, so I will go one piece for now. Okay, save. Enter the delivery number. Okay, now if you check, there must be two different WPT for both. Okay, 101 and ZE1, ZNE1, right? So we'll go here. Now 101, it should use which sequence? This one. You try, if you click over here, create, is use RK. Okay, there is no any bin because there is one more setting is activated. So let me just go and deactivate that. Anyhow, we are going to check that also. Let me just check all the storage type setting once. Okay, split during put away. The capacity check. Don't worry, we are going to discuss this thing. Okay. Okay, now save it. Now again go back. We will not save this task. Okay, see, now if you check the log, if you click over here, message log, you will get all the details. Okay, destination, because we want to find the destination. So system, because of 101 WPT, system is able to find the trigger. System is able to trigger the sequence RK10, right? In that RK10, the first storage type is RK10. Okay, sorry, search sequence is RK, and in that the storage type is RK10, right? And then system is able to determine this bin. Okay, let's say we are okay with this bin, and for second, if you check, it will go with the palette. Why? Because now sequence is PL because of the WPT. Okay, clear? Hello, is this clear?
हाँ यस वी
सर
आर
एक
गिविंग
बार फिर से रिपीट
प्रायोरिटी
कीजिए ना।
हमने उसमें प्रायोरिटी वो दी थी ना
Yes. So because of the priority, right, we maintain the first priority is storage, the WPT, right? And that's the reason if you check, system go with the palette, right? Because WPT, right? If you go back to the configuration,
सेकंड में हमने WPT नहीं असाइन किया था क्या?
No, it's a different search sequence. The WPT is there only. For 101 is RK, and for ZNE1 is for PL sequence.
Second WPT, हाँ yes, दो WPT थे.
So it's PL. Okay, for second is PL, and you can see the bin number. Okay, the first one 101 is RK, that's why RK10. Second is PL, that's why PL10. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so once we are okay, so this create option is just to check that okay, you're okay with the bean or not, right? If you're okay with the bean, then yes, you can just click over here, create plus save, and then you can confirm the task. Okay, clear? Now,
Yes.
if we create one more delivery, please use this weekend to practice all the class, right? Cover all the topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again I will go with one piece. Right, again we have same scenario, right? So we'll do the good receipt. Yeah, even the good, if you check, right, good receipt is not mandatory. Once you complete the put away, by default system will complete good receipt. But the best practice, right, is to do the good receipt. Just a moment. Okay. So the best practice. So best practice means what SAP recommend. Okay, remember this word. In interview, they might be ask you what is the best practice. Okay, best practice is to do the good receipt first, right? Then create warehouse task. Now, if you see over here, right? So why system is going for this bin C. So if you check, so we do have one transaction where we can see the bin, right? /n/scwm/ls10. Oh, sorry, now ls11 we need to go. Okay, go for rk10. Okay. Now system is going for C, right? C. Right? Previously, I guess is also C, right? Same bin. Why system is going for same bin, right? So for that, if you go back to the configuration of storage type, okay, define storage type. We'll go specifically for RK. So it's a 4, the put away rule. Okay, 4 means general storage. What if, let's say, I will maintain. So general storage means it's like a general storage system will not check weight. So although we have also maintained the weight of the bin, but let's say if I maintain empty bin 5, okay, and then save it. Empty bin for RK10. Then with the same task, RK10, I will not save it, and I will create this task again. Now it's going for B. So if you check the B, this is empty bin. See B. Because see over here is empty bin. Up to A there is in stock. If you go here, right, stock is already there. See. Clear? So the empty bin. So issue with the empty bin is like that. Even though, let's say here you can see the space is available, right? Means we can store more box. But when you maintain empty bin, means system always go for empty bin, next empty bin. Even though capacity is 100 piece, let's say, but there is only one piece available, right? Still system will ignore that bin and system will go for next empty bin. Clear? Hello, is this clear?
सर थोड़ा नेटवर्क इश्यू आ रहा है मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग
सीक्वेंस फॉलो होगा क्या वो?
Sequence to follow hoga is for bin now. Within the sequence, system identify if the RK10 is there, right? But RK10 में
बिग स्टोरेज टाइप, हाँ, उसमें बहुत सारे बीन्स है, हाँ.
yes.
Okay,
So कौन से bin में जाना चाहिए?
ओके, हाँ समझ में आया. ओके, गॉट इट.
Okay, so it will go for empty bin every time, right? Now instead of empty bin in the storage type setting, okay, if I change it to, let's say the second, addition to existing stock / empty bin, save it. Now what will happen, we'll check with this. So again with the same delivery, I don't know if the space is available or not, but let's see. So still it's going for empty bin. Okay, what we'll do, okay, I will create plus save it. Okay, and I will also confirm the task. Okay, then we'll create new delivery for same material. One with, then one with maybe 3 piece. So I have created 2 delivery. Okay, 92 put receipt, warehouse task. Right now addition to existing stock or empty bin. Okay, so it's going for C. Now if you check the bin, right, so first of all just refresh. So just go back and again execute to refresh that screen. So it's going for C. Okay, if you check the B earlier, it's going with the B. Okay, so strategy, it's a addition to existing stock. So now what system will do, okay, system will check the bin. Okay, in which bin in that material is already available, which is not empty. You can see this material, this is no any empty tick, means of possibility that there are some stock already, but system will check addition to existing stock, means system will check if this material is available in any of the bin or not. Okay, then system will also check the capacity, right? Currently the weight capacity C is only 10 kg, right? And system will also check the weight of material, right? If you copy and if you go to the MM02, so it's 5 kg, right? Means one piece is equal to 5. The total weight is 10. Okay, so first of all, if the material is available in this bin, okay, and the capacity is also there, then only system will suggest this bin. If there is a different material, right? Let's say in all those bin the material is not is material is different, okay, then system will go for next empty bin, which is C. Clear? Hello, is this clear? हेलो सचिन, संजय.
सिस्टम को कैसे पता चलता है कि ये बिन में मतलब कम स्टॉक है इसमें?
कैपेसिटी, बिन कैपेसिटी एज आई सेड.
ओके, वो अपडेट होता है क्या? हाँ हाँ.
बिन कैपेसिटी अपडेट हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे सीधे.
वेट अभी
कैपेसिटी
हमने यहाँ पे यूनिट मेजरमेंट वेट पे दिया है क्या?
yes,
क्वांटिटी
no, by default is weight. System will check the weight. See, the maximum capacity is 10 kg. So there are 50% weight is already there. Means material with 5 kg is already there. Okay, so if the same material is there and then capacity is also there, right? Let's say capacity means now the capacity is 100 kg. Okay, so let's do one thing. So I will go back here. Okay, I will not save it. Cancel this. So earlier it was going for C, right? Now I will change the weight, select all, edit, right? So I will just remove this bin type. Okay, save. Okay, now the capacity I will say, okay, 50 kg. Now if you check, still going for C, so let's add more weight. So yeah, if the task is open, right, is created like this, right, system will then give you some error if you try to change weight for that bin. For example, if I try to update the weight, it will give me the error that see one bin is locked, right, by other user. So that's why it will not allow to change that bin, right? So always we have to make sure that there is no any open task or that window where we create a task. Right now, save it. Okay, now all the weight is 999. Let's try now. Oh, it's again going for C. C is empty. Maybe the possibility that this material is not available in any bin. Any 10, right? We are receiving any 20. So is this clear, this one? Or the second one? Addition to exist stock / empty bin. So सिस्टम क्या करेगा? सिस्टम will find out. अभी वो कैसे करेगा? क्योंकि वो कोड में लिखा हुआ है कि प्लीज चेक इज दिस मटेरियल अवेलेबल इन एनी बिन और नॉट, राइट? तो कोड में ही है, उसका वैसा कोडिंग ही है और उसकी कैपेसिटी अवेलेबल है या नहीं. ओके,
हेलो,
एंड देन
मतलब सर वो पहले हमने जो मटेरियल असाइन करना है बीन में, वो मटेरियल मैच करेगा. अगर वो मटेरियल होगा तो वो वेट मैच करेगा. अगर वेट अवेलेबल
यस,
होगा तो ही वहाँ पर असाइन होगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
ओके ओके सर.
अगर वेट नहीं है देन इट विल गो फॉर एम्प्टी पिन बिकॉज कैपेसिटी नहीं है रखने के लिए, राइट?
ओके ओके सर.
क्लियर सचिन, संजय?
हाँ, इसलिए तो स्लैश लिखा है ना. अगर
यस,
रहेगा तो ठीक, नहीं तो नहीं रहेगा तो एम्प्टी बिन में चला जाएगा.
या
अगर सिर्फ एम्प्टी बिन रखा तो वो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टॉक में नहीं जाएगा.
यस, इट विल ऑलवेज गो फॉर एम्प्टी बिन देन.
ये पुटा हुए जो हम स्ट्रेटजी बना रहे हैं, वेयर हाउस क्रिएट करेंगे तभी वो ट्रिगर होगा, है ना, वहां पे.
यस, यस. क्लियर. एंड जनरल स्टोरेज लाइक जनरल स्टोरेज एक ही इसमें सब हम रखेंगे, राइट? नॉर्मली
और ये
जनरल
टास्क जो हम
स्टोरेज भी.
क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, जो वेयर हाउस, वो स्टैकिंग एरिया टू बिन, ये प्रोसेस के लिए कर रहे हैं ना अभी.
यस, पुट अवे. So general area जो रहता है is normally used for the staging area.
हाँ,
Where we
स्टेजिंग
receive
एरिया
the
टू
material.
बिन में. हाँ, मतलब हो.
No, जो general area जो है general storage. This one. This we
Okay.
use normally for the staging area.
Okay.
Because वहाँ पे
जहाँ
we
से
don't
हम
use empty bin. Yes. Where we unloading. Will we unload the material. And then here we'll use next to empty or addition to stock. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Any question? Okay, then we'll stop. So yeah, there are lots of different setting also that we'll check. Okay, so for example, the section is also there, then split is also there, WM generic is also there, right? All other setting is also there. So we'll check in upcoming session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please use the time for practice, especially the
Yes.
weekend. Okay, and if you have any question, please let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.